Good evening everyone. See, in this video we are going to understand basically these three topics. The chapter number 2, that is your acid, bases and salts, is divided into three parts. Number first is acid. We have studied about acid. Number 2 is bases, correct? What do we have studied in these two? First of all, we have studied physical and chemical properties of acids. Then in the second part we have studied physical and chemical properties of bases, correct? Now the last part of the chapter is about salts. How many types of salts are there? See, we have already studied that there are three types of salts. These are acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt, correct? Now what are we going to understand is that we will take upon a very simple salt, correct? And that salt is NaCl. We all know about this salt very well. This is already been in use in our homes in daily life, correct? But apart from that use, you are not aware of its other use. So that is our first topic, uses of common salt. See, I've already told you in my before videos that NaCl, whose chemical name is sodium chloride. This sodium chloride is also known by the name of table salt. Why do we call it table salt? Because in each house there is a dining table, or might not be there is a dining table, there must be a table on which you find this common salt. That is why this is known as table salt, correct? Sodium chloride is also known as table salt, plus it also known as common salt. Why do we call it common salt? Just because it is commonly found in each house. There is hardly any house you will find in the world who doesn't have common salt. So this is why this salt becomes very important. And we general people only know that this is used in the food, but actually not. See, first of all, this common salt is used in many other things. Number one, you already know that this is used in foods to prevent them from getting rust. Also, these are used for flavoring the foods. Apart from this, the another use of this common salt is in producing chemicals. Chemicals like sodium hydroxide, correct? This is known as caustic soda. You must have heard. Then NaCl, common salt, is used in producing washing soda. Then it is used in producing baking soda, correct? Another, bleaching powder. Another, POP. What is POP? You people all know very well this POP is your plaster of Paris. And what is plaster of Paris? It is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, prepared from gypsum, that is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Correct? So what are we going to study in our further videos is that how all these chemicals are being prepared by using a simple product, a simple reactant, NaCl. This is the first use of NaCl. Correct? Second, you can take it on the other way, as it is used in the preservatives and it is used for flavoring agents. Okay. Another type of its use is industrial use. What type of industrial use? See, you will find its use in making soap also. Soap, साबुन बनाने के काम में आता है, correct? So these are the uses of common salt. Now we must understand the second topic, chemicals from common salt. I have already explained you this topic. Here I wrote few chemicals like bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, correct? Then caustic soda, plaster of Paris. What are all these? These all are the chemicals that you get from common salt. So the first chemical that we are going to study in this video that you get from common salt is sodium hydroxide. This is basically the chemical name of this is the chemical name of caustic soda. Correct? Remember one thing, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium hydroxide. These all have their suffixes same, that is soda. So people tend to get confused like caustic soda, baking soda and washing soda. They can't decipher which chemical name belongs to which common name. Correct? So learn them by heart and with the video. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, its common name is caustic soda. It is actually used in soaps. बहुत बार मम्मी बोलती है बेटा ज्यादा साबुन से मुंह मत घिस, काला पड़ जाएगा. वो काला क्यों पड़ जाएगा? वो काला caustic soda की वजह से पड़ता है. तो इसलिए ज्यादा भी मुंह नहीं धोना चाहिए साबुन से, तो एटलीस्ट. करेक्ट? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. दिस इज द केमिकल नेम and this is the common name, and the formula for sodium hydroxide is, see, sodium is Na plus, hydroxide is OH minus. See, plus 1 minus 1, remove sign plus and minus. Now see in the numbers, this is number 1, this is number 1, both have same number. When both these ions have same number, remove these numbers and write them together. So chemical formula is NaOH. That's it. Now we must understand its preparation. See, preparation. There will be few terms that you might not understand while I'm explaining you this preparation, but I make you assured that after the video ends, you will be knowing all the terms. So, number one thing is, how do you prepare NaOH? Using NaCl. That means you are going to prepare sodium hydroxide using sodium chloride. So what you people do is, you use sodium chloride plus water. ठीक है? आप क्या करेंगे? आप पानी में सोडियम क्लोराइड मिलाएंगे, मतलब नमक का पानी बनाएंगे. इस नमक के पानी को हम कहते हैं ब्राइन. What do we call it? Brine. So it's very basic to understand that sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, is made from brine. And what is brine? Brine is a solution of NaCl and water. So NaOH is made from brine, and in that brine you use NaCl. So ultimately I can say that NaCl is being used in making sodium hydroxide. So now see, what are we taking? We are taking NaCl plus H2O. Now what are we going to do is, we are going to pass electricity through this solution. What are we going to do? We are going to pass electricity from this solution. While we are passing electricity through this solution, this NaCl turns to NaOH. This is electrolytic decomposition reaction, which you have already studied in chapter number 1. Correct? इसका क्या हो गया? Decomposition. Decomposition होने के बाद भाई NaCl और H2O ने आपको दिया NaOH, और NaCl H2O को कंबाइन ही हम कहते हैं ब्राइन. अच्छा, NaOH के बाद it gives chlorine, also it gives hydrogen. That's it. हो गया, बन गया हमारा. और दिस प्रोसेस, ये जो प्रोसेस है ना, जिससे कि आपका सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या कास्टिक सोडा बना है, दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस. क्या कहते हो आप इसको? क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस. व्हाई क्लोर? बिकॉज क्लोरीन इज फॉर्म. क्लोरीन बना इसलिए क्लोर. एल्कली, एल्कली क्या होते हैं? एल्कली ऐसे बेसिस होते हैं जो कि वाटर में डिसॉल्व होते हैं. उसके एग्जाम्पल भी मैंने आपको बताए थे, KOH, NaOH, है ना. So now see, this NaOH, this is your alkali. So that is why this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Just why? Because in this process you get chlorine and you get alkali NaOH. That is why we refer as chlor-alkali process. Now, after this formation, we are going to understand the uses of sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. Its first use. Look into this hydrogen. This hydrogen is used as a fuel and fertilizer. ये जो हाइड्रोजन हमारे पास आया है ना, हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं कि यूजेस क्या है ना, इस पूरे प्रोसेस की यूजेस क्या है, जिसको हम लोग यूजेस ऑफ NaOH के अंडर में पढ़ते हैं। तो सबसे पहला यूज है ये हाइड्रोजन। इस हाइड्रोजन को आप फ्यूल के फॉर्म में और फर्टिलाइजर के फॉर्म में यूज करेंगे, ठीक है। नंबर 2 यूज इज दिस क्लोरीन। ये क्लोरीन जो है आपके वाटर डिसइंफेक्टेंट ट्रीटमेंट में काम में आता है। मतलब जब पानी शुद्ध हो जाता है वाटर वर्क्स में, तो उसमें क्लोरीन की गैस पास की जाती है या क्लोरीन टैबलेट्स मिलाई जाती है, जिससे क्या होता है उसमें जो जर्म्स होते हैं वो मर जाते हैं। आजकल क्लोरीन टैबलेट ट्रेंड में नहीं, करेक्ट। सो दीज आर 2 यूजेस, वन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, वन ऑफ क्लोरीन। Next is sodium hydroxide. This sodium hydroxide has its industrial roots. That means it is used in industries. 3 uses are done. Number 1, hydrogen. Number 2, chlorine. Number 3, NaOH. Take one more. Hydrogen and chlorine both together. See, when I react hydrogen and chlorine, what do I get? I get hydrogen chloride. And what is this hydrogen chloride? It can be used to prepare hydrochloric acid. So both hydrogen and chlorine together are used for preparing hydrochloric acid also. Correct? So there are many uses, out of which the most those come up in exam. I have written them in your notes. Out of those, few I have explained. Maybe I have explained all, but I don't know about that. But these are all the uses that come in the exam. Number 1, hydrogen is used in fuels and fertilizers. Chlorine, it is used as a disinfectant in treatment of water. NaOH, it is used in industries. Hydrogen and chlorine together are used for preparing hydrochloric acid. In my next video, I will explain 2 more salts. For the time being, I hope you all are clear with what are the uses of common salt, what are the chemicals you get from common salt, and out of those, the one chemical that we obtain from the common salt is caustic soda. Its common name, its chemical formula, its preparation, what is brine. Brine is actually the solution of NaCl and H2O, and its preparation method and its uses. Correct? Thank you.